Is your garbage disposal acting up? Don't let a broken disposal ruin your day. Call CPC Appliance Repair Service, the experts in garbage disposal repair, and we'll have your kitchen back up and running in no time. Strange noises, leaks, or a unit that won't turn on can all be signs of a malfunctioning garbage disposal. Don't wait for the problem to get worse. Contact us now, and we'll send one of our skilled technicians to assess the situation. Our team has years of experience repairing all makes and models of garbage disposals. We use the latest tools and techniques to quickly diagnose the issue and provide a cost-effective solution. Don't let a malfunctioning garbage disposal disrupt your daily routine. Call CPC Appliance Repair Service now, and let us take care of the problem for you. We guarantee quick and reliable service at competitive rates.